Hey boys and girls, we are on session 4 of math this week. You're going to need some counters again. You're going to need your workbook pages and something to write with. Grab those things and then start this video. All right, do you have all your things? Let's get started. Let's see. 4 squirrels are eating nuts. 5 squirrels join them. How many squirrels are now eating nuts? So what do you guys think? Are we putting together or taking away? You're right, we're putting together. So there were 4. 5 more joined them. We put those together. How many do we have? You're right, there are 9 squirrels eating nuts. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, today, boys and girls, we are going to be working on take-away problems. On this page, I want you to use your counters. So make sure you have those counters. If you don't have anything to count with, go ahead and draw a picture. All right, so our first problem is Dion has 6 blocks. How many blocks does Dion have? You're right, he has 6. So I'm going to put my 6 counters up. Can you put your 6 counters? All right, he has 6 blocks. 3 blocks. He gave 3 to his friend. He gave 3 blocks to his friend. So let's move 3 away. 1, 2, 3. So now we need to write our number sentence. How many did he start with? 6. How many did he give away? 3. And how many does he have left? I look right here. You're right. He has 3 left. Nice job. So he had 6. He gave 3 away. And he still has 3 left. Nice job, boys and girls. All right, here is our next problem. Tracy had 9 apples. Ooh, get those counters. Let's show 9 apples. Ooh, I have my 9 apples. Do you have your 9 apples? Tracy was really hungry. She ate 4 apples. What are we going to do to show with our counters what happened if she ate 4 of them? You're right, we're going to move them off. 1, 2, 3, 4. So she had 9 and she ate 4. How many does she have left? You're right, she has 5. So now let's write our number sentence. How many did she have? 9. How many did she eat? 4. And how many are left? You're right, she has 5 apples left. Nice job, boys and girls. Ooh, let's see, what is our next story? Ooh, this is a good one. Jen saw 10 monkeys at the zoo. She saw 10 monkeys. Let's use our counters and get our 10 monkeys on our page. All right, I have my 10 monkeys. Do you have your 10 monkeys? Nice job. 2 monkeys went inside to eat lunch. So what are we going to do with those 2 monkeys? You're right, move them off the page. Let's write our number sentence. How many monkeys did we start with? 10. How many monkeys left? 2. So how many monkeys are left? You're right, there are 8 monkeys left. 10 take away 2 equals 8. Awesome job, boys and girls. All right, let's head to our next page. This time we're going to draw some pictures. Miranda has 10 books. Let's draw our 10 books. I'm just going to draw little squares. What are you going to draw? Are you going to make your picture fancy? I'm just going to make it simple. All right, do we have our 10 books? I'm almost there. How about you? Nice job. She had 10 books. She left 5 at school. So if she left them there, how do I show that they went away? You're right, we put an X on them. Let's put an X on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's write our number sentence. How many did she start with? You're right, 10. How many did she leave at school? 5. And how many does she have left? You're right, she has 5 books left. 10 take away 5 equals 5. Oh, Stephanie planted 7 flowers. Let's draw our 7 flowers. Stephanie planted 7 flowers. I'm going to make mine pretty simple because it's kind of hard to draw on the computer. You want to make yours fancier, I'm okay with that. Do you have your 7 flowers? Awesome job. So Stephanie planted 7 flowers. The birds ate 3 of them. How are we going to show that 3 went away? You're right. Put an X on them. X out 3 of your flowers. Now let's write our number sentence. We started with 7. How many went away? 3. And how many are left? You're right, there are 4 flowers left. 7 take away 3 equals 4. Nice job. Oh, boys and girls, there were 8 birds sitting in the tree. Let's draw our 8 birds. I don't know that I'm very good at birds, so I'm just going to draw circles. I'm going to draw my 8 birds. Do you have your 8 birds? 1 flew away. How do we show he flew away? You're right, we X it out. Let's write our number sentence. 8 take away 1 equals, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are right. 8 take away 1 equals 7. Nice job, boys and girls. We're going to finish up those workbook pages. All right. So we should be on a page that looks like this. Can you find that page? Now there's already a problem done with for us. So Asia has 7 cheese slices. She used 3 in her sandwich. How many cheese slices does she have left? You're right, she has 4 because 7 take away 3 equals 4. Now, just like yesterday, it's your turn to tell some stories. So you're going to tell 2 takeaway stories for these 2. Then you're going to go to the next page and you have 3 more to do. Remember, tell somebody you know all about those awesome takeaway stories. Have a great day, boys and girls.